Hi, I'm Dan and we're going to take this fantastic Volvo V60 3.0 T6 Estate for a little test drive. Car fires up very nicely, slip it down into drive and away we go. So we do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Gearbox feels really smooth. Suspension is riding the bumps on this country road very nicely. Brakes feel good. Steering feels nice. So the car is driving spot on as it should. It's a really lovely car to drive, so fast. I think with its being professionally Polestar tuned version, it's got like 330 PS or horsepower, so loads of acceleration, loads of power, and really luxurious inside as well. I love this full leather interior, contrasts really nicely with the rest of the inside. You've got heated front seats as well. Got a really good multimedia system. On there you've got your Bluetooth. That noise then is just because the tyres are so big and they're on full lock there. But yeah, you've got Bluetooth for your hands-free as well as audio streaming. You've got USB port, auxiliary import. The car has got sat nav, but we've just ordered a map update for that. As you've probably seen, this car is an official Japanese import, and at the moment the sat nav has only got Japan maps installed, so we're sorting that. You might have noticed the parcel shelf's missing as well. We've ordered one of those as well. But yeah, loads of power, sounds really good. Rear view camera, what else have we got? Loads of safety features like blind spot and lane assist monitoring, rear view camera, rear parking sensors. So yeah, just a really nice car, very rare car as well. And yeah, I hope that's been useful for you. Thank you for watching. You take care and bye for now.